We worry about inflation and taxes, but one of the biggest drains on your wallet can be your social circle. From weddings to split checks, friendships often come with hidden costs. Let's audit the price of popularity. If you're tired of spending money just to impress people you already know, subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's break it down. Section 1. The Venmo Trap. The most common trap? The even split. It happens every Friday night across the USA. You go out for tapas or drinks. You are trying to save money, so you order 2 tacos and a soda. Total cost, $18. Your friend Kyle orders the premium margarita, the guacamole for the table, and the skirt steak. His total, $64. The bill comes, someone says, let's split it evenly. You don't want to be that person, so you agree. Your share is now $41. You just paid $23 extra, 127% more than your meal for convenience. This isn't stinginess, it's cost shifting. Over the years, these costs can quietly add up to a significant amount, money that could have gone toward your own goals. Section 2. The Wedding Industrial Complex. If dinner is a misdemeanor, weddings are the major expense. According to The Knot, guests spend about $600 to $1,000 per wedding on travel, lodging, and gifts. 4 weddings a year? That's $4,000 post-tax, or $5,500 gross income. The destination escalation. It used to be a ceremony and a reception. Now it's a wedding season. The engagement party, gift required, the bachelor or bachelorette trip. This is the killer. It isn't a night out anymore. It's a 4-day excursion to Nashville, Tulum, or Vegas. Breakdown. Flights, $400. Shared Airbnb where you sleep on a couch, $350. Group dinners and activities, $500. Matching t-shirts you wear once, $40. That's $1,300 for a weekend you didn't choose. Invitations feel mandatory, but financially, they can derail your own plans. Section 3. The fake rich pressure. Why do we do this? Because of pluralistic ignorance. This is a psychological state where a majority of group members privately reject a norm but incorrectly assume that most others accept it and therefore go along with it. The scenario? You are at brunch. Someone suggests ordering the $80 seafood tower. You think that's too expensive. Friend A thinks, I can't afford that. Friend B thinks, I'm maxed out on my visa. But nobody speaks up because everyone assumes everyone else wants it, so you order it. You are all performing wealth for an audience of people who are also faking it. The data? About 1 in 3 millennials earning over $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. Many are financing appearances with debt. Keeping up with them means importing their instability into your own budget. We are exposing the high cost of social pressure. If this resonates, please hit that like button. It helps normalize saying no to bad financial habits. Section 4. The lifestyle creep by association. There's a saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This applies to your spending habits too. If your friends develop expensive hobbies, you often develop expensive hobbies. Golf effect. Clubs cost often $1,000 plus $80 greens fees. Wine effect. Tastings in Napa average $50 to $80 per person. Suddenly, a $12 bottle feels cheap. It looks like maturing, but it's lifestyle inflation. If your income hasn't doubled, rising social costs make you poorer every weekend. True friends don't require a cover charge. Section 5. The scripts. How to opt out. So, how do you stop the bleeding without becoming a social pariah? You need scripts. The biggest fear is looking cheap. We need to reframe cheap as goal-oriented. Script 1. The bill split. Situation, the bill comes and the split it question is asked. You say, hey guys, I'm on a strict budget this month, so I'm just going to throw in cash for my tacos and soda. Here's $25, which covers mine, plus a solid tip. Why it works. You're not asking for permission, you're stating effect. You also over-tipped slightly to show you're not stingy, just precise. Script 2. The destination wedding or bachelor party. Situation: you're invited to a $1,500 weekend in Miami. You say, "I love you guys, and I'm so excited for the wedding, but I can't make the Miami trip work with my current financial goals. I'll be there for the big day to celebrate, though." Why it works? You validate the relationship. "I love you," but you draw a hard boundary. Can't make it work. Do not offer a fake excuse. Be clear. Script 3. The expensive dinner suggestion. Situation: group text suggests a $100 per plate steakhouse. You say, "That place looks amazing, but it's a bit out of my range right now. Are you guys open to cheaper alternative or a potluck at my place? If not, I'll catch you next time." Why it works? You offer an alternative. Often, half the group will be relieved you said something because they didn't want to spend the money either. Section 6. The Freedom Fund. Reclaiming your wealth. Here's the most important part. When you save this money, you must give it a job. I want you to calculate your friendship tax. Look at last year. Bachelor trips, $1,200. Uneven bill splits, $400. Random gifts for people you don't like, $300. Total, $1,900. Put that into a high-yield savings account. That money could cover car repairs, fund your Roth IRA, or simply buy peace of mind. Saying no to obligations means saying yes to your future. Some friends may drift away. That's fine. The ones who stay for coffee or a walk are the ones that matter. Friendship is about connection, not consumption. Stop splitting bills evenly when you ordered less. Decline the destination trips you can't afford. Propose cheaper alternatives. The real ones will agree. Bank the difference in your freedom fund. You don't need to buy your friends. If you do, they aren't worth the price. I'm curious to hear from you. What is the most ridiculous friendship tax you've ever paid? A wedding? A dinner? Have you ever been the one to speak up about the bill? How did it go? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.